Hi guys, in the video today we're playing some more Animal Rivals and
Oh, I didn't even. Alright, bro, they're stacking. I didn't do it on purpose. They're stacking.
see, unfair.
Whoa. Well, I just got a new controller, so.
I'm not playing Animal Rivals because you're really mean.
Nah, I just took off my controller. I just took off my controller. I just took off my controller. Nah. Bro, I just took off my controller. I have the same disadvantage now. I just took off my controller. No, I had to reload. I should have just swapped weapons. It wasn't me. He walked in there and forced me to get off. Oh, he wouldn't move. Beautiful body. That's why. Okay? He walked onto your team.
Come on.
He walked onto your team, not me. It was him. I didn't do it on purpose. Henry.
Get him, he's behind you.
I didn't do that on purpose. He walked onto your team. Oh my god. Yo, I promise, bro. Go around the rock. Go around the rock. That way. He's over there. Henry, he's trying to... Oh! We won! Let's go!
Yeah.
Henry, watch this.
Round
Now.
starting.
Now you're saying it's unfair. Get out.
It's called location. It's called comms. Yeah. No. It's something a lot of people do, actually.
Where's Mason?
Um,
I know. We don't need your help.
what?
Nice.
Oh! Let's go, Henry, I need go. Henry, can I tell you something?
Round starting.
Y'all were locked in earlier.
I need to beat this.
What happened to that confidence? Bro, I was reloading. Fuck. Change the weapon. I should have used my SMG.
Wait, what?
That's what we were doing.
Wait, Galaxy, no, you were there. You were there. On my screen, you were there. Your
Alright, boys. I'm
literal
copying my
username was
SMG.
there, Galaxy, on my screen.
Round starting.
No, that was actually where you were on my screen. But nice win, anyways.
Something? I didn't put him on your team. He walked there, and then he wouldn't move. High five. Yo, bro, we gotta use good sportsmanship.
Yeah.
Round starting.
Just people are hogging weapons, which is unfair.
Reloading. GG.
He's over there.
Bro, I heal you. Oh crap. Bro, I'm reloading. Got him. GG. GG. Wait, can I? I'm running the SMG. You really gotta use it. It's really good.
Round
I
starting.
don't have it.
Oh, you need to unlock it. It's really good. It has more bullets. And it does a good amount of damage. So. Oh, I see you. Got him. Yo, you have a really good trigger finger. I can't even lie. You have, oh, he got me. Yo, behind you. Come on, you got this. You got this. GG's.
What?
Sudden.
It's sudden death.
Round starting.
Oh, we're gonna have to lock it in. Oh, Mason killed me.
For real, so it's a 2v1. Yeah, man.
I see you. What the freaking? Free fire.
Come on, guys. Come on, Viper.
I'm cooked.
Got him.
Bro, I'm
Viper.
cooked.
Come on, Viper. Come on, Viper.
I got him. I shot him. I shot him.
Come on, Viper.
I know what he's doing. I know what I'm doing. Wait. Who won?
Die.
Oh, it was a round tie.
How is that? Oh my.
Oh my god.
This is
Hey,
sudden death,
death,
sudden
Round
death.
starting.
This is sudden death, sudden death.
This is sudden death. Oh crap. No. No!
Yo, wait.
I swear.
Henry, can I tell you
the
something?
first shot because I was trying to reload.
I swear, Mason traded me.
Rematch.
Yeah, let's do it.
But no, no, I didn't. Can I tell you what I...
Guys, can we all do a big open map? Can we all do the hay one? No, guys, let's just do the tree map. Let's do the tree map.
No, bro, that one's too hard.
It's big. Aw. But that is the tree map. Am I stupid?
Match
Cooked the
starting.
kid, and it was a 2v1. My teammate left.
Round starting.
But, bro, you're Henry. These people are really good. I can't even lie. They are really good.
I know. That's why I
Especially
don't
for whoever was the new players. Oh my god. He cooked. Gotcha. Oh crap, I'm cooked.
I'm cooked.
Yeah, like you.
What? Bro, I was trying to swap my weapons. GG. Yeah, GG. Oh my god, alright, bro, I'm swapping. I'm gonna swap to this.
Round starting.
Bro,
Yeah,
if
that's
I
crazy.
ever get close, I'm swapping up with my boxing glove and I'm boxing somebody to sleep. Oh, my piece.
Bro, I was stuck on the log.
I swear, Galaxy's camping under that tree.
Yeah, Galaxy, stop camping.
Round starting.
Well, you need to stop, bro. You need to stop your habit. Go on, Viper. If you can hear me, GG, good luck. GL.
Got him. Heck no. I ain't dying. What do you mean?
Whoa, why are you just standing still? Move. Why are you using a pistol?
Bruh, I'm not bro, he said he'll just use the pistol. I'm running SMG because I'm really good
Round
with
starting.
Yeah, and I was actually. He was right. How?
Just don't think someone's low. Just
I know exactly what I'm doing.
Killed both of them.
GG.
I killed both of them.
It's tied up. It's a tie, boys. It's a tie up. Wait, let's all meet to the right.
Round
Let's all
starting.
meet.
You
to the
were
right and
cooking.
see who wins.
You're actually doing good. I'm just upset Mason traded me.
I didn't trade you.
And my
I
gun
didn't.
had 4 bullets.
Bro, can I tell you something?
Galaxy's
Bro,
in
Henry,
there.
get him.
Henry.
Henry. I saw him.
Henry.
I see you, Galaxy.
Don't think.
GG's.
GG's. Right, guys, I think that's the end of the video for today. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.